Now here we're going to dismantle the door. So that's winders, lock mechanisms, handles, drop gas, the works. All of these handles come off the same way. They do tend to rust, but generally if you turn the station round till this lines up with the pins, as you can see they normally do come out okay. Again, it's the same as the advice, don't drop things, that I had for the this one's going to give up a fight just when I had the camera in one hand. See if we can just persuade it to give it up. Just with a little bit of persuasion. Or if it's going to, oh well, okay, two-handed job. Time to remount the camera. So there we have it with the foam removed, and as we can see, as close in as I can get, it is rather rusty in there. And what I can also see is that the lock mechanism is actually knackered. Now these sit in a square shaft, however the shaft's round. So at some point in here there's going to be somewhere that I can lever at the back of and hopefully get this off without damaging it, because these rather fatter handles were very particular to the early cars, so I like to keep it if I can. Okay. There's one square of it there, so I should be able to at least be able to get in two angles. Let's see if it will give it up. Nope, don't want to budge that one. I guess when it came to the hinge pins, when I said I'd rather be lucky than good, I'll take lucky, but this time not so lucky. The shaft seems to be really solid in there. Now I know that I can get it out off of there. I know the lock's knackered, so unfortunately for this one it looks as though I will need to get the saw out and actually cut it off. Oh well, the day was going well. So there we have it, cut off, and that will be over to the vise, and we'll get that out a bit later. Put this one to one side just now. Into the bag with the rest, and then we'll proceed to get the lock out. Now the drop glass at the moment's fully up. Three screws to undo. into the bag. And then we need to go to the star lock itself, which you can't see it from there, but when I turn the lock there's probably about 6-7mm of play already go. It's getting worse now, probably about $10 play. So that's done, that's plastic's best. There is no real way to repair those, but if you're lucky there is still some new old stock ones running around, and if you see them, grab them. It's not a very nice mechanism to try and repair. It's not impossible. These in the bag. Just lift it gently off the door lock itself. This is a lever that was bending back out the way of the door lock. We'll be able to get this out.